Don't let an accident sour your holiday gatherings this season. Following some simple guidance from our friends at the Cherokee County Fire and Emergency Services Community Risk Reduction Division can help keep your holidays accident and injury free. Frying a turkey. Always fry outdoors, at least 10 feet from any structure. Thaw and dry the turkey completely before lowering it into oil. Even a little ice or water can cause a dangerous oil eruption. Keep a fire extinguisher, class ABC or K, nearby and never leave the fryer unattended. Care for a live Christmas tree. Water your tree daily. A dry tree can ignite faster than paper. Keep the tree away from fireplaces, heaters, and candles. Don't leave the lights turned on when you are away or asleep at night. If needles are falling off easily, it's too dry. It is time to remove it. Inspect your Christmas lights. Check for frayed wires, broken bulbs, or loose connections before hanging. Don't overload outlets. Follow manufacturer's instructions on connecting light strands. Use indoor-outdoor rated lights where appropriate. Candle safety. Consider using battery-operated flameless candles, which can look, smell, and feel like real candles. Keep candles at least 12 inches away from anything that can burn. When using candles, place them in a sturdy, safe candle holder that will not burn or tip over. Never leave a burning candle unattended. Burning candles can start a fire. Fireplace and heater safety. Have chimneys cleaned and inspected before the winter season. Burn only seasoned wood in a fireplace. Use a screen in front of fireplace to catch sparks. Keep flammable decorations, clothing, or bedding 3 feet away from space heaters and fireplaces. Turn space heaters off when you go to bed or leave the room. Child and pet safety. Pets are curious. They may bump into, turn on, or knock over cooking equipment. Keep pets away from stoves and countertops. Keep Christmas decorations, ornaments, cords, and tinsel out of reach. Avoid breakable decorations near the floor. Don't leave candles or tree lights on when no one's home. When cooking, turn pot handles inward to avoid spills and to prevent little ones from reaching for them. Kitchen fire prevention. Stay in the kitchen when cooking and stay alert. Do not cook when you are sleepy, especially when frying, grilling, or broiling. Set a timer to remind you that you are cooking. Keep oven mitts and towels away from burners. Watch small children when near the stove. Keep back 3 feet. Home smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms should be installed and maintained in every home. Test smoke alarms at least once a month using the test button. Install smoke alarms and alert devices that meet the needs of people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Replace smoke alarms when they are 10 years old. Replace carbon monoxide alarms according to the manufacturer's instructions. Learn more by visiting the Community Risk Reduction section at fire.cherokeecountyga.gov.